Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner is the original shoe cleaner since 1985. Today I'll be showing you the cleaning process and how well it can actually clean your kicks. First, I'll set up a cleaning station. You'll need some water, a rag or towel, the Pink Miracle solution and scrubbing brush, and of course, some dirty kicks. You want to make sure that you get the brush thoroughly wet, and you only have to add a few drops of Pink Miracle. Now that I'm all ready to go, I'll start scrubbing away the dirt from my shoes. Once I'm satisfied with my scrubbing, I'll take that rag and start to wipe it down. I gotta say, Pink Miracle surprised me with how well it took care of my dirty shoes. Just look at that comparison. Pink Miracle was created with shoe lovers in mind and is perfect for shoes, sandals, boots, loafers, and more. Thanks for watching.